Breakthrough. Scientists discover rapid sea level rise along the Atlantic coast of North America 300 years ago. I'm Steve Belair and welcome to Breakthroughs. Sea levels along a stretch of the Atlantic Ocean of North America in the 18th century were rising almost as fast as in the 20th century, a new study has revealed. The study, led by the University of York, found evidence for a period of enhanced pre-industrial sea level rise of about 2 to 3 millimeters per year in 3 locations: Nova Scotia, Maine, and Connecticut. The researchers say that the large rises at these 3 locations were natural and partly related to the North Atlantic Oscillation, a large-scale atmospheric pressure seesaw over the North Atlantic region, and to periods of enhanced ice melt in the Arctic. The authors of the study say cities like New York and Boston will have to take into account this natural variability in planning for a future sea level rise. The findings are based on sea level reconstruction derived from salt marsh sediments from the Atlantic coast and from microscopic salt marsh fossils. Previous studies have shown that, since the 1950s, rates of sea level rising along the Atlantic coast of North America were faster than the global average, leading to this region coming to be known as a sea level rise hotspot. However, lead author Professor Roland Garrel said this earlier rapid episode of sea level rise in the 18th century wasn't known before. He said to find out what global warming is doing to sea levels today, we need that base level from historical times. In the 20th century, we see rates of up to 3 to 4 millimeters per year, faster than in any century in the last 3,000 years. In the 18th century, we were slightly slower, but still much quicker than you would expect for the Little Ice Age, partly because the Arctic was relatively warm during the 18th century. It is pre-industrial, so there is no anthropogenic forces or human influences at play, but in the 20th century there may well have been. This means that those rapid episodes of sea level rise on the northeast coast of North America in the 18th century have a natural cause. Aha! Okay, I'll leave a link to the full article in the description, and as usual, please like, share, subscribe, and take care.